Panasonic G95 G90 Micro Four Thirds model now official. First G-series model for over a year. Panasonic's G-series has been looking a little unloved recently, with the focus more on the company's compact camera line and full-frame S1 and S1R models. But now the company has shown it's keeping its promise to continue supporting the G-series with the introduction of the G95. Confirming earlier rumors, the camera will be known as the G99 in Japan and the G90 in other countries outside of the US, and follows the G85/G80 that surfaced in 2016. Best mirrorless camera 2019, 10 top models to suit every budget. In place of that camera's 16MP 4/3 sensor, it packs a 20.3 MP alternative, once again without an optical low-pass filter. This works with the company's latest Venus engine to record 4K video to a maximum 30p for an unlimited length of time, in addition to full HD videos, while Vlog L is also included on the camera as standard, a move that might not please S1R and S1 owners, who have to pay extra for this. As we'd expect, Panasonic's 5-axis dual IS2 system is on board, combining the power of sensor-based image stabilization with lens-based stabilization. The former is also effective in the absence of the latter, however, with a maximum compensatory effect of 5 stops. The OLED viewfinder offers the same 2.36 million dots as the G85S, and the same magnification that's equivalent to 0.74x in 35mm terms, while the rear display retains its 1.04 million dot resolution and 3-inch dimensions, although, interestingly, it's now an OLED screen rather than the G85S LCD. As we expect on pretty much any camera in 2019, Wi-Fi has been carried over from the G85, although the new model follows other recent Lumix releases in also offering Bluetooth connectivity. Other features include an autofocus system that makes use of depth from defocus (DFD) technology, together with a 9 fps burst shooting option that drops to 6 fps when focus is set to work continuously. A 4K photo mode that captures at 30 fps is also on board, while new sequence composition and auto marking options also make an appearance. Revised design and an updated optic. While the new camera retains the same DSLR-like form as the G85, the model has been redesigned for maximum comfort and easy one-handed operation. Resistant to splashes of water and dust, it adopts a slightly more angular design than the G85, with more defined edges and a peaked flash unit. Panasonic has also added the now familiar exposure compensation (ISO) and white balance row of buttons on its top plate, mirroring the design of the recent S1R and GH5S among others. Another change concerns the rotating dial on the camera's back plate, which takes the place of the 4-way directional buttons on the G85, while the remaining controls have also been shuffled around. Sadly, a joystick-type focus lever is nowhere to be seen, although you can use the touch screen to set the AF point. Elsewhere, the camera has an SDHC/SDXC card slot that supports US2 cards, together with ports for microphones and headphones, the latter of which wasn't included on the G85. Its battery can also be powered through the camera's USB port, although sadly this appears to be the older Micro B format, rather than the USB Type-C port that's become common on such cameras. The company hasn't added to its G-series camera line since the GX9 was announced in February last year, although it did reveal that it was developing the Leica DG Vario Summilux 10-25mm f/1.7 optic for the system at Photokina in September. This, the company claims, is the world's fastest constant aperture f/1.7 wide zoom. New lens. The G95/G90 will be bundled with the same G Vario 12-60mm f/3.5-5.6 ASPH lens as